Hello, I'm Walter Ridgely from Expat Auto, and just wanted to give you a little information about our dealership here. We've been here about 16 years, selling used cars and doing auto repairs. I've got four different classes of cars that we sell here. The first one we call Platinum. That's these cars with the blue sign on them. That means it has a 1-year guarantee. So 1 year is first month is everything, and the next 11 months is the internals on the engine and transmission. Also, some of these later model cars like this one, here's a 2022, it will have a manufacturer warranty. And our warranty on that one would just be redundant. Okay, then we go to Platinum, and then we go to the Gold. Here's a Gold. This is a 6-month guarantee, engine and transmission. All right, that's our second one. Then we go on down to what we call the Silver. Here's a Silver. Now that's a 3-month guarantee. Okay, and then our last category is what we call Bronze, and that is a no guarantee. Now, when I say no guarantee, that doesn't mean these cars are junk. These cars have gone through the complete check and process, and they've been completely gone over. The reason they go in that category is the year and mileage. So you can buy a car from Expat Auto that's got no guarantee, and I can guarantee it's better than one you buy somewhere else. So listen, we appreciate the support of the community here in northern Thailand, and for many, many years. And if you have any automotive needs, or you just want to come in and look and drive, you're welcome to test drive any of these cars. And we've got a lot of them right now. We got about 40 nice cars in stock, all the way from 2000 up to 2023. So give us a call or come on in, and we'd be glad to visit with you. Thank you. And also, if you have any more questions, could you just leave your questions or whatever in the comments below, and we could try to address those at a different, later date. Thank you.